What time did they run?
So that would be 3, 7. That would be a 1 minus 1. 7.90. That's what I have left. So we have to take something. No, leave that. Leave that.
Okay, so your total. And how would I? 37 seconds and
64.
64 hundredths, all right. Who's the fastest runner? What was her time? Who was the slowest? Okay. What is the difference between your fastest and slowest runner? Can you work that one out? What would you do?
I would do 14.15, which is the slowest, minus the fastest.
Oh, this could be interesting because how many seconds are in 1 minute? Okay, I've just thought I'd say that because I could see something going to happen. All right, now to prove that you're right, what could you do to prove that that's correct? So what's the inverse operation to what you just did?
I do this plus this.
Okay, do you want to do that? Just a triple check. What I would suggest is make sure that 3 will be lined up with that there for future. Is that what you had originally? So you must be correct. And if you added them all up, that would give you definitely. Right on, good girl. Fantastic. Is there another alternative? If I change that to actually, there were 4 people running. 4 people. Add your name. You're running. You're in this team. Come up with other solutions. So, who was your fastest runner?
Mariam.
And so, who was your fastest runner?
Mariam.
Mariam. What was her time?
40.20.
And who was the slowest runner?
Recycle.
No.
10.14.
Your pen keeps taking us.
10.14.
But so do you want to have the lowest score to be the fastest or the highest to be the quickest?
Lowest.
Okay, so who was the lowest?
Recycle.
So she was the quickest?
Lowest.
Okay, so,
The quickest was Mariam.
so you're saying Mariam's quickest with 14 seconds? What do you think?
It's recycling.
Why?
Because it has less seconds.
So you want to have the smallest number? Because if I timed you to run from this wall to that wall,
Let's
and
see.
it took you 2 seconds. Okay, and then you timed Mr. Blair, and it took me 10 seconds. Who would be the quickest? You would, because you had 2 seconds, and I had 10 seconds. So you want the smallest number to be the quickest. All right, so I'll ask you that question again. Who was the second fastest? Okay. Who was the fastest? Miss Psyche? Why? But because that number's quite small.
She ran that much.
Ah,
And he ran more.
yeah. So the biggest number, that means they were not as fast as the other ones. Thank you very much. Have you checked them? Have you added them up and you are correct? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? Let's double check it one more time.
We finished.
You finished? All right, I'll come and have a look.